What's up mga bolero? So welcome back. So today's video, samahan nyo ako panoorin dito naman kay Top-Notch Sports ang highlights ni Poy Poy Club. So may laro sila ngayon. Bago lang tong video na to. So ang nakalagay sa title is pinisikal na dahil hindi maawat sa opensa. Palpal sa mukha ang ganito. Palpal sa mukha na pinalpal si Poy Poy. So, tingnan natin kung ano nangyari dito. So, dito to kay Top-Notch Sports. Supportahan nyo yan, kaibigan natin yan. So, tara, samahan nyo ako. Panoorin na natin to. Game!
Paganda ng paganda ang nilalaro ni Poy Poy Club. He's setting the play. Nag-improve na rin ang court vision.
Oo,
At dahil
ayos
threat na rin sa opensa si Poy Poy. Pinipisikal na siya sa loob ng court
Ayun, tinulak.
para mapigilan. Pero may ganti ang ape mga boss. Isang in-facial block ang pinabaon.
Whoa!
Showtime mode pa din, iniwan ng 5 sa coast-to-coast drive.
Grabe,
Kaya tara,
Poy Poy.
panoorin natin ang highlights ng kanilang laro. Basta i-like mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe for more maps, highlights, and updates. Pero bago ang lahat, ang video na ito,
So, nakukuha na ni Poy Poy yung laro nung pro ng team nila, tsaka ng dito sa MPBL. So, ayos yan. Magandang sign yan. Na-improve niya na yung laro niya. So, hanapin natin yung So, ito na. Tuloy na natin to.
Also those 3-point shots very important para sa kanila. So far,
Ayun, nice pass, oh.
But he's gonna need more of that today. Rick.
Yun, yung improve niya po yung assist.
Same context of
Bang! JJ!
dalawa ni Alex Desoyo. But then,
Ayun.
this season, there's a foul.
Ganun mo talaga siya i-stop eh. Kasi yung explosive yung ano na Poy Poy sa laksak niya eh.
Last year, siya. Third staker siya. Yeah, starting last year.
Pati free throw. Ganun na rin.
The John Callis program. Teams might need to take them light.
Ayan na naman.
Just
Court to
because
court.
they're in that
Assist.
low position. But of course,
Okay lang.
looking
Kaya naman yun. Pero dapat mas pinasa niya na eh. Para mas ano. Mas simple.
nice.
Nice, D.
Support right there.
Sayang.
Yeah, just gave us something to
Yun.
forward to it. Back to Coach Ryan Monteclaro. 11 on the shot clock. He escapes.
Nice pass.
Romel. Bounce pass to his big man. I remember talking about
Jimboy. Bang!
seeds. South Division. Monteclaro steps back.
Ayun, biglang tumira.
Oh, Jeff Robbie on the run.
Uli!
Ball tapped away.
Sayang.
By Monteclaro. Ryan fakes some passes. Kalahan to JP, who never hesitates. And that mentioned to us. 26-21. Carlo Lastimosa will
Bang!
score.
Bawi.
3 minutes gone by in the second frame. Omia will pull up.
Ayun, no?
Nice looking jumper right. Lastimosa.
Galing.
Nice escape by Carlo. Gabat slow things down.
I tell you, many people forget how good a scorer Carlo Lastimosa is.
Bang!
It's hard to create a celebration.
Ayan, oh, basic, oh.
Kasi halos pare-pare from the outside. Their favorite spot from the 3-point line is usually that top of the circle.
KG.
Did it. A punch for Alaska.
Poy Poy.
Nice coach Nick Pro. Benyaredondo from downtown.
Nice pass. May gano'n na si Poy Poy. May gano'n naman siya kaya hindi niya nailalabas eh. Ngayon, natututunan niya na unti-unti eh. Whoa!
Poy Abdub.
Great matchup.
Check. Check na check. Nice D. Grabe si Poy Poy oh.
Get the ball back up. Poy.
Grabe.
Point for him.
That drop. Now, when I say this, it's you have to be able that you can bring a zone defense, not just the outside shot.
Right now, Amos is looking good.
Tambak sila.
Congratulations.
10.
Best luck for Jibo Estrada.
Or ang strict in conditioning.
Ayun, biglang tumira. Bang!
Jiboy. Estrada with the bounce.
Nice pass.
On the U. Surveys and bounces. The pull up for Jiboy Estrada. Turnover story natin 97.
JJ. Bang!
Down. One finger.
Tatlo na lang.
Sky. to no avail. And then on the
You know.
other end, there's the layup.
Grounding or on defense, doesn't matter. Paying
Pasok na yan.
deliver the goods.
Bang! Tabla na!
As well.
Catapulted them to take the driver's seat.
Ayun na, open na open.
Maintain the advantage.
Now, miss on the layup.
Pasta Poy!
Here's Boy Boy on the run.
Grabe talaga.
All the way for two.
Walang iyang yan, no? Court to court talaga, oh. Ang hirap bantayan, ang bilis ka. Grabe. Kita niyo yun, no? Sa pro, ginagawa niya rin yun. Court to court. So, pag kaya niya, ano naman niya yan, eh. Mararamdaman niya naman. Kaya niya, eh. Pero syempre, pagka na-stop siya, medyo, ano na yan, medyo magdadalawang isip na yan. Pero hanggat kaya niya, ganun naman laro ni Poy Poy. Mas maganda yun kasi nalalabas niya yung laro niya. Mas makakatulong siya ng maayos sa team niya kaysa yung nagko-control siya sa laro niya kasi ayaw niya magkamali, lalabas siya. At least yun, mas maganda yung laro niya kasi nalalabas niya nga. Pag ganun yung ginagawa niya. So, ayos yun.
But in this game, but since the second quarter, Shagani is taken over.
Ba!
Shagani converts on fire. That's it.
Uli! Salpak mo!
With a slam.
Sayang. No basket?
Kopia. Nice double cross. Kopia.
Oh, yun oh, hangtay mo.
The ability to do that in the open floor just equally has him.
Here's KG. Canaleta for three.
Bang!
Bounce. Boy fakes and gives that ball up.
JJ.
Hildebrand take overtime.
2 quarters. Right now it's Eagles who has been showing that, but here a chance for the Marlins. Manilao scoring.
To Payang Are. Screen. The cross. Are all the way for two.
Score.
JP.
6.
Step back three-pointer.
Bang! 7 seconds.
The inbound. Risky pass.
Uy, nakagaw na.
5 seconds. Kopia. They go to Gabat for the...
Ah! Buti na lang di pumasok.
Oh my
Ang
goodness.
ganda ng laban pala nito. Buti na lang di pumasok, oh. So, nakahabol yung ano. Pero last minutes na rin. Last minute na. 1 minute na lang yata. Ganda ng laban, no? Grabe. JJ, KG, yung 3 point. Si Poy Poy, yung Jimbo Estrada, ang ganda rin ng laro, yung iba rin. So, at least manalo sila. Alam ko, ano na to eh. Magpe-playoffs na eh, kaya dapat manalo sila. So, yun. Yung laro ni Poy Poy is komportable na siya. Yun na talaga yung laro niya, kaya gagawin niya lang niya yung consistency tapos improvement sa mga assist. Meron na siya ngayon, lumabas na. Meron naman siya pero hindi siya yun talaga na player. Pero dapat niyang i-improve yun. Tapos yung shooting sa 3-point. Yun lang naman. Tapos syempre medyo yung pag court to court, medyo mababawasan niya ang katagalan pagka natutunan niya na yung talagang syempre mas pagka mga pro na kasi mas gusto nila yung simple basketball na lang kung saan mas madaling makashoot. Kasi parehas lang naman din kayo ng intention ng makashoot. Doon na lang yan, gano'n na lang. So, yun lang. Abangan na lang natin yung ibang video na supportahan lagi natin. Imus, sila Poy Poy, si Top Notch Sports, supportahan natin yan. So, hanggang dito na lang, hanggang susunod ulit. Peace!